What's up guys, it's me Taylor. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make homemade hand sanitizer because a lot of people can't find hand sanitizer at their local stores. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make homemade hand sanitizer. First you're going to need a bowl and a spoon. Now you're going to take your measuring cup 1/3 and you're going to take your alcohol and you're going to do 2 3/4 cups of this. 1/3, sorry. Now you're going to take your aloe and you're just going to do 1 of these. And you're going to do 1/3 of these. Okay. Now we're going to mix. And if it's too runny, you can add more aloe vera. And if it's too thick, you can always add more alcohol. Okay, we got it done. This is what it should look like when you're done. Now is the time, this is optional, you can add a scent. You can add a scent if you want. I'm not going to be adding one, but yeah, if you're going to be adding a scent, this is the time that you would add one now. And then now you're done. And this is what it will look like. And this is what it'll look like if you put it in a bottle with the scent in it. That's why it's foggy, because it has the scent in this one. So yeah, this is your homemade hand sanitizer. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.